Hey guys, so today we're going to compare the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Setting Powder and the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. So what I'm doing is also my everyday makeup look. So first I color correct and then I put the Nars concealer on, which is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. And then I just blend it and I put it on the areas where I have any spots on my face. And under my eyes, I just blend it out. And then on one side, I'm setting it with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. And then on the other side, I'm just patting it out just to pat out creases. And I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Setting Powder. Right after I set my under eyes, I noticed that I liked one side better than the other. And here's why.
Hey Savina, when you're editing this, remember you like the Maybelline one better right now. It looks smoother. It looks way smoother.
So yeah, it was just a little smoother and, more flawless looking under the eyes. It just hid my creases better. It just had a more of like a blur effect. And then I blend my face and then I set one side with the Charlotte Tilbury powder and then the other side with the Maybelline Fit Me just to see what it looks like on the rest of the face everywhere. And then I just use my bronzer to contour my nose and just use it as like a light eyeshadow, contour my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline. And then I use a Nude Sticks eyeshadow pencil type of thing and put it like right where I just put like eyeliner on and kind of just blur that out. And then I put it under my eyes and I put winged eyeliner, which is black, and in my waterline. And then I do my brows and I put some blush on and on my cheeks and on my nose and on my forehead and on my chin. And then I put highlighter on my nose and under my brows and in the inner corner of my eyes. And then I just use a pencil liner to line my lips and some lipstick and some gloss, and I'm done. And as you can see, the matte and poreless setting powder by Maybelline just did a better job at hiding my creases and the lines. You can see it more on the Charlotte Tilbury side. And this is what it looked like at the end of the day. And you can see at the end of the day, they honestly kind of looked very similar. Both sides creased a lot. I don't know if that's the concealer or the powders, but overall, I think Maybelline won. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.